In today's video, we are going to learn about the viral diseases. So let's begin. Viral diseases. There are many viral diseases that are caused by viruses, but now we will discuss only those that are commonly found in Pakistan, right? So the first one is the smallpox. See, smallpox जो है, it is caused by a pox virus. Caused by a पॉक्स वायरस पॉक्स वायरस में बेसिकली जो डीएनए है वो एक डीएनए इन्वेलप वायरस होता है एंड इन इट्स द मोस्ट एंशियंट डिजीज दैट इज नोन टू हैव occurred as an epidemic. It was an epidemic in China जो कि as early as the beginning of the 12th century में हुआ था until the earlier 20th century smallpox was a very common disease throughout the world. Smallpox में basically होता क्या है, if you are seeing in this picture like of this girl face of this hand, a very small raised fluid filled vesicles are formed on the body which become pustules later on and form the period scar. सबसे पहले जो raise fluid filled वेसिकल्स जो हैं वो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वायरस प्रोड्यूस देम फिर वो पेस्ट्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं और देन उनके पिटेड स्कार्स बन जाते हैं जिनको हम पॉक्स कहते हैं. So by 1950, immunization and other control measures have largely decreased the danger, but it is still present in the third world countries where many and many people are affecting from it. So 1980 में declare कर दिया था WHO ने. In 1980, it was declared by WHO, the World Health Organization, that smallpox has been eradicated from the world कि वो दुनिया से मुकम्मल तौर पे ख़त्म हो गया है, राइट. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो तो ये स्प्रेड हो जाता है थ्रू ब्लड, by airborne, by skin, by saliva, right? So it serves constitutional symptoms like the pustular rashes that develop first on the face, hand, forearm, and later on so, right? So this is what smallpox do. Then let's talk about the herpes simplex and the influenza. This is the herpes simplex and this is the influenza virus. ओके, जो हर्पीज सिम्प्लेक्स है जो हर्पीज वायरस होता है ये भी डीएनए वायरस होता है, इसके अंदर भी डीएनए होता है. इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस डिजीज. इट इज़ नेचुरली अक्रिंग डिजीज ऑफ द मैनकाइंड. इसमें जो वेस्कुलर लीजन्स होती हैं ये vascular lesions, ये in the epithelial layers of the ectodermal tissues are formed. Most commonly, this disease occur around the mouth, as you can see right here, right, and on other skin side. इसकी vaccination available है. Vaccination is available for this disease. Then उसके बाद influenza, the most common disease. These are basically the RNA enveloped viruses, right? सो इन्फ्लुएंजा जो है ये वाइड स्प्रेड डिजीज़ है इन मैन और ये मोस्टली एपिडेमिक की फॉर्म में ही अकर होती है. इसकी भी वैक्सीनेशन तो अवेलेबल है बट इट इज़ लेस इफ़ेक्टिव. उसके बाद let's talk about the polio virus and the measles and mumps. Here, these are the measles and these are the mumps. So measles and mumps की भी vaccination available है. These virus belongs to a group of paramyoxyviruses, right? They are large enveloped RNA viruses. Mumps जो हैं ये highly contagious होते हैं, मतलब एक से दूसरे को होते हैं, दूसरे से तीसरे को होते हैं. About 60% adults are immune to it. जो measles हैं, it is the one of the most common disease of the entire childhood of the world, right? And जो adult population है, it is equally susceptible right? And this disease develop its immunity in the victims. जो mumps के symptoms होते हैं इसमें swallowing हो जाती है, ठीक है, of the this gland, the parotid gland, जिसकी वजह से आपके मिडिल ईयर कैनाल में पेन होती है. This is the poliomyelitis. So poliomyelitis is caused by the poliovirus. ठीक है, it is a waterborne disease. Vaccination इसकी available है. It is found in all over the world. It occur mostly in childhood. The age at which primary infection occur also varies with the social and economic factor. These are the smaller known viruses and contain RNA in a spherical capsid. Most common human viral disease is this one, right? जो सिम्टम्स ऑफ पोलियो होते हैं उसमें क्या कहते हैं एक तो ये नॉन इन्वेलप्ड आरएनए होता है और जो वायरस है ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन पे एक्ट करता है जिसकी वजह से जो लिम्स हैं उसकी मूवमेंट नहीं हो सकती है राइट so now the quiz time dash has been eradicated from the world. It was reported by WHO that smallpox has been eradicated from the world. Smallpox is the right answer. Poliomyelitis is caused by dash virus, polio, HIV, or herpes. As the name indicates, it is caused by the polio virus. So here, polio is the correct answer. So this concludes our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.